I just love his
And
enthusiasm here. This is us approaching the flag. He is all about tracking. He's tracking here, but he sees Hillary in the field. So I learned a lot. I need to have an audience or a gallery follow me for a little bit because he was definitely sidetracked. But he recovered quick. He's sort of dragging me here, but that's okay. He is super focused, and he's just about to cross a road, and it didn't stop him at all. I am so proud of this little guy. This track was an hour and a half old and pouring rain. Okay, crossing the road here. He approaches, road right over it. Not a problem. He gets a little distracted and lost when it goes into the deep grass and he circles back, but he is completely focused. I am super excited that he circles back and checks. It helps me realize that he's working the problem, and so I can also start learning how to read him. And he is now back on track. I can tell by his tail and his head down. Yay, I can actually bring it to Hillary now. Whee!